postfix. Okay. Zero D1. Which is like what? D1. Where would I find D1? A, B. D1 is apparel.map held dot get U. It's an interesting situation. The apparel is sending a null. Or getMap. We're doing getMap held. Wait, should probably switch that here. Wait, no. D1. Map held is null. Yeah. Has to be. Does that mean somebody started with like an Aegis enchantment? Not absorbing harden. I mean, not our dudes. One of them do. No. Yeah, it means somebody started with an Aegis. Question is probably in the Ancient Danger. Okay. And they don't have a map held when I guess when they're generating their stuffs. And that would. That kind of sucks, actually. Okay, there's a couple of things here. Because also, Infusion. Component map. Because this also runs. So let's add a check. And also check here, I guess. No, but this one is safe. This one is all acting weird. Because both, I guess both of these are firing at the same time. For some reason. You can say if the map is null, we'll do find.map. Don't know how to test this scenario though. If I wait, I misremember. Okay, wait. There's a mod that we need to add straight away. Rim saves. Where are you, my beloved save and sort? Yes. Okay, we'll save it. ST. I want to see if I get the error once I load in. I'm assuming it's only once you generate a new world. Yeah, you don't get new errors anymore. During world gen step. I wonder what the order is. Does this fire first or does log the message adding apparel? Finalize in it because maybe it's fine-ish if the order is correct. We don't have to handle anything. Let's see. Also, what is our task while we load into the game now? I just don't want to do this. Yeah, we're not gonna support Odyssey weapons. We already disabled like Infusion on them. I feel like we just archive this. It was a good idea, but since we're not doing anything with Odyssey weapons, we're good. Variant for anomaly. Okay, that one should be cool. Right. Just want to do a new world and check the order of firing. No errors. Oh wait, I get it. I see. So, and I didn't get strangely enough, I didn't get any errors. Okay. What we will do is say map. Can't be the apparel, the one that had the issue, right? It has to be the map m equal, maybe we could say current map equal apparel dot map held. If map, no, if current map is null, just return out of this. We'll let the other thing handle it, and we'll say current map is, component is current map dot get that, and we'll let this handle that by picking it up on finalizing it. That should work. So this is called on like world gen step. Interesting. We have to do a new patch because this is like it's not a serious issue, but the faster we fix things, the better, I guess. Anybody leave me any comments? Good. No comments for me. What am I looking for? I'm looking for also Visual Studio Code. Looking for that because we're gonna update the version. We're gonna build, and here the about XML, update the version. So we've changed a couple of things. That is fine, does not work in colonists. Yeah, that is okay. That is okay. Patches, that's good to see. Assembly info is favorite version. Fix Aegis Infusion apparel causing NRE on world gen. It's long, I don't care. We did build it, right? Let's build one more time. Alright, let's do that. Push. And... We'll just replace all of this with all of you. Then we'll open and upload this tiny, teensy, tiny little batch. And then we can get working on this one. Right, mods. Boom. Thank you. We'll just copy this. There we go. That should be good. Okay, let's move on. I'm gonna create a new branch. Feed new infusions so I don't mess the existing one. Bring my changes, whatever. No need to publish now, we don't have any changes. Let's do that, and let's add one more. Let's add this into the mix. Save. Is there anything else I need? Wait. Just my UI mods, my QOL mods, stuff like that. Probably drag select. Save, probably... What was the name again? Fluffy. Tab. Work tab. Sort and save. Rimworld. Sort and save. What else do I have? Can I categorize mods in this thing? No. Alright. I have to look through all the mods. That sucks. Smart speed. Sort and save. Smart medicine. Where is that? Smart medicine. Yeah, I think for now we're good. Okay. Allow tool, obviously. It needs something else. Hugs lip. Sort, save. Okay, we're good. Let's get started. How do pawns do research? We need like a job giver, work giver, yeah. Should skip has job on thing, make job of research. So there is like a research job. Yeah. We need to check what is the class, unless we can find it. Job driver research, there we go. Get stat. Find the research manager did research performed. Wait, we need to check. Not project. Yeah, okay, you can get the current project. you can do a can be researched at something, that's fine. And then you can add like some kind of value times delta. Okay, and the actor, the pawn that did the research, we're just gonna set it to a constant value for the sake of simplicity. Don't think we want the stat to affect anything. Also, one more thing. There's moat, I think. Moat bubble. Moat maker makes static moat. Throw text, I think. We'll try this one. Okay. Let's go to here. We'll start with common. I think that can be a common research just fine. There's no common weapons in general. Common any weapon. Yeah, there's none. Okay. Let's take one of these. And also we want a name. Okay. Why is it this one? Saying this one is new, even though I added that one. Okay. And the name of the game. That now it should be up. Okay. Let's find a name. Gemini. I need you to come up with a name for a magical weapon infusion that when used increases research. Up with the let's see what it does. Savant. I like Savant. No. Is there anything we can add to Savant? Maybe like research speed? Yeah. Is there anything else related to research? Nah, only research speed. Research? No? I have to find the def. Research speed factor. There it is. Research speed. Okay. I'll give it like 1, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. it's weird. 1, 2.5, 5, 10. Maybe. Maybe, just maybe. What is any? Any's like literally anything. Just gonna put the this, yeah, like that one. I will also add yeah, that. Not this. Excellent. Ugh. I wanted 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. How about that? That could work. Okay. We should add extra description. Extra description impact. Let's say has 5%. Well, 5% chance to add 50 research points to the project. Okay, that sounds good. Yeah. Now we need to add like the hit worker for it, so let's code. Hit workers are starting to like, fill up. Call it add research, I guess. Public. It's like from hit worker. Is it on hit worker? Not even sure. Yep. All right. Let's actually make it like 2.5% chance. And 25. Well, just 550, 7.575, and 10, maybe. Yeah, sure. So we'll get let's get what's new. This one. We'll just add this as an empty one. And we'll clear all of this. So what we need is the current project. It's somewhere in here. I think I saw it. Yeah. Research manager did get project. It's fine. We'll use Rimworld. I mean, verse. I don't know. Public. I mean, private. Void add research. What's wrong? It's gonna be the same points. Project is null. Return, we're out. Okay. Then we'll call this here and here. Right? Actually, no, let's get the target. Record the target, which is a thing. Record the target. Also a thing. Target. Here we go. And we'll say. So how do we add points again? Find the research performed. There we go. Okay. Research performed. It's a function. Oh, we need this. The researcher. Amount is amount. And that would be... I have no idea. Record source, that's the weapon though. I remember there being a way to get the... Wait, 1 minute. Util, select target. Projectile launcher. Caster pawn, okay. I think thing with comms. Caster. Record.projectile.launcher. Record.verb.caster pawn. Now that worked. It's a pawn. That one is a thing. We'll just do here pawn. We'll say S pawn. And we'll say caster. And that should be it. No. Mode maker. Throw text. Text. The thing. Caster dot position. Caster dot map held. Time before start fade out. We'll just leave it at default. This is gonna be, just leave it as empty. Position is giving me an error. Oh. So 2vector3? Does that work out? Hopefully. I have no idea. Okay, so what we need here is we go to, this is gonna be a base thing, so 0.6 base, languages, English is English, others. Just add a new file called Infusions XML. And then here we'll say Infusion dot savant dot I guess message should be enough, hopefully. And then we'll do the same here. And we'll say plus 0 research points, like that. And then we'll say here, well, not quite here, but here, translate this thing, and then we'll, I think with that, we need to add the workers in. Let me get on hits. Here. So we're gonna say not on colonist hit, but if bio target hit in general. It's called if bio target hit. We'll copy that. Paste it here. We don't want a sequence. I think we just want like that. A value. Should be like add research, chance, like that. Chance is 0.025. The amount is 25. That looks good to me. Let's copy and paste. It's like either something is wrong or the formatter is not doing his job. Format selection. Something might be wrong. Value. Stats. That looks good. So why isn't this tabbed? Yeah, it's just pushing it back. This is... yeah, it's not the closing tag. With that, for some reason. Oh, wait. Infusion. Okay. On hint stats matches, label short label. Why is it not working? On hits less lie list lie. Alright, that looks good. Value, chance and amount. No idea. Oh, what's that? That's wrong. Yes, excellent. We'll copy this enchantment or infusion and we insert here. Soothing is fine to have anything, but the rest, but that's a big no-no. Poisonous. Quickfire has a label. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, okay. Quickfire can be anything as well. We'll do the same here. Research speed of 4. 0.05 and a 50. 5%. 50. All this uncommon. Savant. Copy. I think in here uncommon is default. Inherits from default. Default is anything as well. Any weapons. Wait, I want any weapons. Strangely enough, any weapons does not have a matcher. Wait. Default base here is fine. Any weapons. Shouldn't any weapons have a match? Any weapons. Okay, I guess not. Which means we have a fix in our hands to do. Because that means that, like, even though this is... I mean, this is fine for anything... Or is it? Thought worker... Not looking through here, though. Yeah, it looks through everything. Apparel... Yeah, that's one... This one... It should be fine. But... Quickfire is in a bad position. It does have a list, like, match on projectile things, but... Yeah. That don't look good. I think we have another patch on our hands. That doesn't work in melee now. Let's check here. Soothing, it's fine. Mending is on rare weapons. Doesn't have any matcher. Rare weapons base is both. Okay, so weapons... any is not, but is there an uncommon weapons here? No. I don't know how that makes sense, but okay. What the... What was that? Okay, let's just do... You. Which is a weapons base. Your parent is that. Your matcher is... I should probably be doing this fix in... Wait. There we go. Don't need that though. On the other thing. Yeah, let's undo for a second. We need to fix this on the other side. Uncommon, that looks good. I mean, that looks fine as well. We can just temporarily push this stuff. Add research, yeah. Do temp. Publish. Let's go back to main here. We are in a bad position. Main. That should be gone. Huh. Didn't tell me to reload, which is interesting. Even says add research is still there. I feel like this is bugged. Close all. Just gonna do this so I can refresh, hopefully. Let's see it. Version. Yep, okay. So let's go back to here. I believe here we should be good. There's nothing under uncommon any weapons, right? That's melee. Yep, so here we're good. Here, default is fine. That's whatever. This one is not good. Because any weapons doesn't actually use weapons as a condition. So we need that. And we say that is you, and that should be under uncommon weapons because, yes. Anything else custom made here? This one is disabled, excellent. Smart. Smart is under ranged, so it should be in a safe spot, yeah. Taunting. Quickening is not mine. I think we're good. Yeah. Rare. Let's check our things. Default is fine here. Rare weapons. That one has a filter. Should be good. How do you go back? Visual Studio Code. Back shortcut. Alt plus left arrow. I was using that. Ah, but my alt is broken. Yeah, I see. Okay. Yeah, that one is safe. That one is safe. That's not mine. Shielding is not mine. Thermal piercing, I think. Explosive. Concussive. Smart is unarranged, so it's safe. Transfusion or whatever. Overloaded. Interfering. Aegis is just armor. That's fine. I believe I haven't added anything else here. Auxiliary. We'll check legendary. We also have to check anomaly. Mortis, I guess. Legendary default, that's good. Legendary weapons. That's fine. Okay. Mending is on legendary weapon. Did we see mending here? Yeah. Ape Fist on weapon. Polymorph is on weapon. Gilding is on weapon. Quickfire is on weapons. Guardian. Lightning is on ranged. That's good. Suppressive. Smart is on ranged. That's vampiric. There's a lot of legendary enchants, which is interesting. Like, it's probably more than the common ones. Aegis, we're good here. We're should be in cool. That should be fine. That's under rare weapons, and rare weapons are cool. Yep. And that's rare apparel. Legendary Asunder. Yeah, it's just this one small issue here. We'll update the mod and fix it as well. Why not? 1.4.2. Yeah. Common weapons, space. Fix quick fire spawning on any weapon. Do you want to test it? Very good. Let's test it once at least. Let's not be lazy. We'll save it. We also want to build that. Apparently it's up to date. We have the changes. Yes. Venom. Uncommon, it's there. Okay, we're good. Quit to main. Mods. Just do that. Boom. And fix quickfire. Do the same here. Save it. Exit. No need for that, thank you. Then we'll quit. Go back to our infusions. Choose a branch to merge. Main, create merge, that's fine. And then we'll just remove all of this. Copy. And that should have a reload. It doesn't have a reload. Why? Don't quite understand, but okay. Maybe because we didn't change anything actually in the yeah, that makes sense to me. Okay. Okay. Let's continue where we stopped. Here we have the Savant enchantment. We'll copy that into rare. Sure. We should... I mean, it's fine. I don't care about the order. Rare Savant. 6. 0.075. 75. And 7.5 to add 75. Okay. That's obviously under rare weapons base. Then we'll copy you into legendary. We'll add legendary default, legendary weapons. Add like a legendary savant with you. You at 0.1, 10%. you at 100. 10%. I feel like it's a bit broken. 100. Yeah, I feel like it's a bit... Okay, no, wait. Let's start from the beginning. Common. We'll do 10 for 2.5% chance. We'll do 20, I guess, for 5. And we'll do for rare 30. Yeah. Legendary will do just 40. I think that shouldn't be, like, it should be a very insignificant amount. And for now, I'll just set it to 100 for testing, I guess. Also, it should build because we have a new, don't we? Have a new add research. Did it? What? Wait. History. Temporary. Yeah, it should have. On hit workers. Am I on the wrong branch? Apparently not. Okay, so I commented this somewhere. Source on hit workers. I don't understand. This thing is outdated. I'm pretty sure it's not reloading. Let's see here. Or not. Okay. Or I can type add research. I am so confused. What? Why? How? Source on hit workers. It's I feel like something got messed up in the situation. It's there. And now if we build, we should get something, hopefully. Yep. All right. We'll keep that. We'll keep you. And let's get running. No. I think we should be good. I should... Because I don't remember what the last version is. Copy all of this into here. Let's see. Okay. Have quick test. Salt master. Oh shoot. You shoot. Get over here. Save. We'll leave test bench, I think. What else we can do? Q test. Savant legendary. Let's see. Did I wait? Not you. Yes, if it hit a boy target. Excellent. Let's spawn our test subject. I don't have a research. Probably don't have a research. Will not begin, that's fine. +0. Ah, that's fine. Can be easily fixed. By adding the amount right here. Build. Let's try it again. I'll only give it 1 point. Did they trick me? Maybe. There is a research manager. What? I don't get it. What the hell is happening? There we go. Research manager. Let's check how research perform. Amount times 0.00825f. Why? Find research speed factor. Why is it like that? Oh man, it's kind of painful. Okay. So let's say I want 40 points. How much do I need? I think we need paint here because I'm confused. I have 40. Times, no wait, 40 times 0.0825. Is that right? 0.00825. Okay. Oh, come on. 825 times, times 40, that's 0.33. So I need 40. That's so confusing. I can ask mask. Have an amount variable that is multiplied by what? 4,000 for 40 points? You're kidding. I feel like something is wrong here. Okay. Can't we, num plus equal amount. Wow, all of this gets applied. My god. Okay. Is there any way to just... when? It's private, obviously. Add progress. Progress... Yeah, I like this. What do they do with the source? Yeah, if it's finished, they said that... Okay. This one is much better than the other one. All these calculations going in. Amount, yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it. Dot add progress. So that one needs like the project. There we go. Let's try this again. Let's close that. We'll build you. Now we no longer need to be confused about the calculations. Hopefully. Should be fine. Place that on the top. Beep. Infuse Savant. Cow go. Research project go. Shoot him. Now we should have a 160. 120, yeah, that's correct. So put that to 0.1%. Yes, another variant for anomaly. That's what I was missing. So can we... Study maybe? Or giver study interact. Study unlocks monolith. Study notes. Study item. Get study toils. Record tale, tale of studied entity. Study pawn, do study interaction. Reserve. That's a bit complicated, isn't it? Try get thing to study. Study comp. Okay. Retake interval. Retake interval action. Tail. Interaction is occult teaching. Alright. Occult teaching. I mean, there's one thing that I want to check regardless. Let's, so a new colony. The anomaly. Hey, why is it like... Ah, it's big planet, okay. Whatever. Get started with the anomaly, please. The ancient monolith. Investigate. Select colonist. Who's that? Ah, yeah, something. Please investigate. Boom. Alright. Basic plus 0.40. That's what's being added when you study. So we want that somehow. Interactions 5 minus study comp to interactions. Why is it 5? Do study interaction. Knowledge per study. Study efficiency. Comp study unlocks monolith. Costs. No, that's not what I wanted. Studyable. Takes till next. Currently studyable, will ever studyable. Study unlocked. Study. If anomaly is active, find the study manager to study. Learn skill. Receive letter. Quest signal. So we have that if anomaly is active. Normally knowledge amount. Yeah, so if this studyable thing has we do that. We have a throw. Yep, there it is. Throw mode. Knowledge category. So actually there are two types of knowledge. Interesting. Yeah, basic and advanced. Is there... I know about basic and I know about advanced. That's basic. So 1 square is basic. 2 squares is advanced and there's no other type and these are unknown. Knowledge category, knowledge amount. Does that not need to check if there's a research? Yeah, it checks. So we can do find dot manager. And we can say common and uncommon are both basic and yeah, yeah, okay. Okay. So here the question becomes, I think we have a boolean here, public bool anomaly. Yeah, we'll set it to false. Let's just say anomaly here is false as well. Actually, no, we'll not do it here. And then we can override this, and here we can say if anomaly, we'll do something different. So return instantly. That different thing is gonna be those two things. Love the creepy music. Definitely adds to the atmosphere. Tab it out. Okay. It needs to throw text. Oh, there's a drop position that I can use. Draw. Cool. I'll use that. Caster map held. Don't quite understand the difference. I really need to understand what's the difference between map held, if spawn. Map seems like a more generic thing. Yeah, whatever. Yes, knowledge category. So also add like a public string knowledge category. Set it to sure string that empty. capitalize first. And mount. We'll just do this, right? Okay. So we'll say this is a knowledge category def. And label cap. And that should be null. Yeah. See that the target is not actually used for anything, so let's remove that from the function. It's a waste, I think. Okay, let's test it. Build first. We'll have... we should also find a name for it. Generate another name. Dark Arts, maybe, I don't know. Umbra, love it. Love the names. Okay. You. Did I set this to its original? Yes. Umbra. Umbra. Yeah, that should be in any weapon. Will not add stats because I feel like it's broken as is. Oops. Anomaly is indeed true. Basic the current anomaly project. The def, we have to find that. Games. Data, anomaly, devs, knowledge category. Devs, there should be two. Basic and advanced. Okay, that makes things really easy. Actually, wait, leave it open. Okay. We'll just say knowledge category, basic. Common any weapons, huh? Did I just make the same stupid mistake? Yes, I did. Let's go to uncommon. Yes. As your parent, that's user, common weapon space. You should be under that, and you should be under that as well. We'll go to uncommon. We'll add the same. Set this to uncommon. Set that to uncommon. 0.05. 15. Let's, yeah. 5% chance to add basic. I think we're good. Except that we're missing an enemy def closing tag. Yes, I did forget to copy it. Okay. Boom. Let's copy that into rare. Wait. So there is a weapon space. We should use that. And not use any weapon space. Because that's wrong. Okay, we copied it into rare. Rare weapons. Rare. Type. Back to 25. Back to 10. Because you're gonna be advanced. 2.5% chance to add 10. Advanced research to the current anomaly project. Then another one for legendary. Base. Legendary. Back to 0.05, back to 15, back to 5 and 15. Rare 10. Okay. So what we'll do is set this to 1 for now and set that to 1 for now at least. We should also build this up to date. So we'll copy all of that into here. We don't need that, hopefully. Come on, Rimworld. Launch. Come on, come on, come on. Internet is working. It is working. Oh, come on, mate. Man, it took you long enough. Yeah, sure. So there is one thing I want to test. Right now, I do not have a research project selected. That shouldn't work. I mean, it gave me advanced plus 15, but... Oh. Wait. Might need to, Wait, what? Because do you need the monolith in order to discover... Can we check this somehow? Also, I just realized I added these in the wrong files. They should be in anomaly. We'll fix that later. For now, okay, so here we have the monolith. We don't have the research, we have to activate the monolith first. Okay. Now, it's gonna be a tough one. We need some sort of check whether anomalies there or not. I mean, there has to be a way, right? Okay. Let's test it anyways. Max skill, shooting you. Spawn. Weapon, assault, master, whatever. Got mending, which is savant. Remove all infusions. Infused with legendary Umbra. Get the poor cow, shoot the poor cow. Got 20, 20, 20. Stop it. Don't think that will add up to anything. Okay. And let's do one more time. Move infusion. That. Infuse with... Yep, uncommon Umbra. Try again. I got basic plus 15, but I got nothing. Now we'll do research. Oh. Maybe 15 is a bit too much. Okay. So for Umbra, we're talking like maybe one point should be enough for common. 1 point. And for uncommon, it's gonna be 2. Yeah. Same here, honestly. No, at least we know it works. Let's do one more thing. Let's debug finish now. Let's do that. Let's drop our weapon. Move all infusions. There is also one interesting bug that I just realized. The weapon could gain... Yeah, we'll fix that. Okay. Don't run. Yeah, alright. I got it. That should be fine. We have 2 things we need to fix. Duplicate enchantments, infusions. Or we could kill them. Could be fun, I don't know. Okay, we fixed that. Now we need to check when we're generating if anomaly did the anomaly start. So study manager, study anomaly. If anomaly active, is that the same? I think that's just like the mod. study how do we check if anomaly started? That's a good question. Comp class. Find anomaly monolith study progress. Next index. I want to go here. Anomaly, cached anomaly. Study. Completed. Progress is, it's an integer. 0. Notify, you increase. Okay, what about next? So it's just like 0, 1, 2 or something. Monolith next index. Only study enabled. Highest level reached. If it's great, okay. So the condition would be game component dot, yeah. Find dot anomaly study enabled. And we set this condition on where exactly? Comp infusion. Pick infusions. Select infusion active for use. Infusion conditions, maybe. Anomaly study enabled. Infusion condition public should the conditions be static? No, probably not. Virtual bool check. Infusion def probably. Yeah. Then this should be a child of infusion condition. That's a public override bool check. Return find dot anomaly dot study anomaly study enabled. There we go. And then in our unhit worker, no, in our infusion def actually. Infusion def. We'll do a public list of infusion conditions equal null, and we'll do conditions equal new list. Question I have in C#, if I use all on list dot all on an empty list, will it return true? Hopefully, yeah. Yes. Okay. So active for use will say and conditions. Conditions, okay. And conditions dot all. Condition dot check infusion def, maybe. So what's wrong? An object reference is required for the non-static. This is a static field. Oh no. Well, I mean, we have it here, so it's fine. So if all conditions are set to true, we'll generate it. If the conditions are not set to true, we will not use it. So in our case here, the condition would be... Oh, let's move them, by the way. That's a legendary. Move it into anomaly. Legendary. Rare. Move it into anomaly rare. Uncommon. Again, into anomaly uncommon. We'll add a new one for anomaly common. .xml. And just do that. Defs. We'll get the one from common. This one. We'll add it here. Excellent. And now we need to do conditions. So conditions is a list of infusion condition. So we'll say, let's see, conditions. It's a list where the class is this is it, hopefully. Actually, changed my mind. I want to name this conditions. Yes, if you can. Conditions. Infusion.conditions. Anomaly study enabled. Okay. And then we have a closing. And I believe if we add that everywhere, we should be in a good shape. Hopefully, we'll see. Let's build. Let's copy and paste. Normally new file. Excellent. Okay. So if we go here, we should not get errors, hopefully. And we should not find the infusion. Umbra. Excellent. Now if we go back to main and go to the anomaly. Very cool. I like this. That's a well-made system. I don't know why it takes so long. Alright, next. Sure. So even like this, I should not be able to infuse anything. Hopefully, with even if I can, it's fine. But I don't think. Yep, I have to start the monolith first. Let's see. Can ignore. Boom. And now, if I click on infuse, I should be able to find. Excellent. Lovely. And we made sure. Let's just revert the chances. Yes. 0.05. Normally legendary. 0.05. Anomaly common. That's an 0.025. And normally rare. 0.05. Excellent. Let's just say that we added one thing. Infusion. That's fine, that's fine. Feet, add Savant and Umbra infusions. Add infusion conditions to check whether or not based on some state in the game. Let's publish that. That's one down. Took only 2 hours to finish one infusion. Okay. Infusion to vacuum resistance, right? I mean, that one is easy. At least I hope so. No idea. Let's see. I don't know how much is too much. That's also a good question. I shouldn't have clicked that. It's fine though. Why are we going out? We're good. Finish all. So one has vac suit. Yeah. Advanced helmet, vac suit, whatever. Vacuum resistance plus 32%. So we can add like 2468, maybe 2.57.5. Yeah. Maybe we'll add movement speed as well, because this one slows down. Yeah, that would be funny, but yeah, sure. Tenebrous. Does wait. Does Tenebrous have a special effect? No? Okay. Right, so. Let's check one thing here. We'll add. Let's ask for a name. I need a name. A new name for a new infusion that increases vacuum resistance in space. And you know what? Movement speed. Stratos, oh man. This dude is legendary. That's not here. Should be in Odyssey. Odyssey. Common. XML. Just copy that. Actually, let's copy the whole thing. Common. Stratos. speed. Movement, move speed. 1. Now the other is vacuum resistance, which I'm gonna need to find. Mods, whoops. Data. Stats. Vacuum resistance, there it is. Vacuum resistance. We'll say 0.1, 0.02, no, 0.01, 1%? 1? Nah, we'll do 0.25. I think this is like in numbers, right? Like movement speed. Yeah. So we'll do that. Stratos. Strat. And that's from common. Common apparel base. And then we'll copy that into uncommon. We'll call it uncommon 0.5, 0.4. Copy that into rare. Get rare. .75, 0.06. Looks good to me. Copy it one more time. Legendary. Legendary. Move speed is 1, and you get an 8% boost. And that was easy. Let's test it. Cool. Love when everything is easy. This one does not require any changes. Yeah, could even copy this part only and save on whatever. Let's see. Oops. Why does it sometimes, like, why does it take so long sometimes? For no reason. Let's read Discord. Oh, I don't know why it does that. Fine. Did it? Yeah, finally. Let's go to our Q test. Apply Infusion. Stratos Legendary. Let's check without the vacuum. Wait. You have to check it here. Or not. What? Does it only apply to specific thing? We have move speed here, but Oh. Well, that sucks. Oh, we did get a vacuum resist. Excellent. Okay, cool. So move speed is increased and vacuum resistance is added. Nice. So we'll call this one done. Let's push it. I mean, don't have to push each and every one. Done. Yeah, that one. That one is a bit of a challenge, actually. But it will improve the performance, what I've been hearing. Yeah, it needs to be done. We're going in order. Yeah. Yeah. We'll do it. Close all tabs. Harmonize. But the goal is to delete the harmonize folder. It's gonna be a tough one. I mean, have we already set up everything? Like, harmony patcher. We have a harmony patcher. Man, I should rename this back. I mean, let's do this, at least for now. And, modify apparel added method. Method. Do that just to make everything more readable, hopefully. Actually, it's a getter, by the way. Yeah. Modify apparel removed method. Fast. Cool. Wait. Oh, okay. Alright. It's gonna be a scary one, but is there any way to do this? We could just remove that and then say, okay, wait. Actually, that is much more cleaner structure. Okay, wait, I changed my mind. Let's how do I access the function? Okay, don't need that. It's a public static void function. What do you mean? What do you mean it's wrong? It's okay. Ah, yeah, I see. Like that. And with that, we can safely remove these, I think. Hopefully we don't need to do anything else. Looks good to me, honestly. Quality, we have a postfix. Okay. Quality. Set quality. Only have a postfix. quality patches. Quality. Right. Yeah. Again, don't need this anymore. That one has quite a bit of patches actually. Close this for now. Back to it later. Memory utility patches, those fix. Root entry start. Those fix as well, EM. Oh. Okay. Just test and make sure that everything. I should have. That's fine. Should have pushed my changes when I changed that. I mean, it's fine. I can push it as a separate change if needed. Quick check, making sure there's no errors and that we're good. We got an error. Oh no. Damn it. Mini patcher. Here is at 1C2. 1A. I believe there that is outdated. Something, I have no idea. Wait. Complete it. Sure, we'll do that. Do IL spy. To the infusion. Infusion. Harmony fetcher. Okay. Quality patches. try this again. Okay, we're good. We're good.
you.